clean. Yo, what's happening everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. After a long drive, finally arrived in the Midlands, all ready for tomorrow's BMW show. Now, I want to show you something a little bit funny. You can see my car there. I don't know if it'll focus in. There we go. So you can see my S3 right at the back like a lone wolf. You've got a 1000 or 900 bhp M5 right there. That's Pabs. You've got my brother's E36. You've got another guy called Aaron, his E30. You've got his E46 in I don't know what colour blue it is. Then you've got a red E92 and then you've got a blue E92 as well. So some really good cars. Unfortunately, I had to drive down by myself, so I actually had to drive to Wolverhampton first, and then from Wolverhampton I had to drive to Solihull, which is where our hotel is. The reason why I had to drive to Wolverhampton first is to pick up the genuine OEM carbon fibre Audi A3 8B mirror cap. So finally got proper ones, genuine ones. So that £375 from Audi, I got them brand new for 100 quid a steal. If anybody knows me, hopefully you all know me by now, I love a good bargain and I'm always on the hunt for a good bargain. But anyway, listen, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you've been rocking with me for a minute, listen, thank you so much. Hopefully you've seen by now, and I say we, I'm not going to say we've hit 2,000 subscribers, a big moment. To some, 2,000 subscribers isn't a lot, but for me, you know, it's a massive thing for my channel. And listen, I know it wasn't just me who did it was all of us who did it together, and I generally do consider everybody who comments and supports my channel. Like, there's a few people who are always commenting, messaging me on Instagram, and you know, I definitely see you. So listen, thank you so much. You're generally making my dreams come true, and I can't thank you enough. But yeah, let's just get straight into this video really. And I don't really know how this video is going to be. I think it's just going to be a bit of a vlog, first vlog kind of style, kind of vlog car video for my channel. But I thought I'd quickly show you my hotel room, just because why not? It's quite nice. So I'm not sure if anybody stayed at the Village Hotel before, but the Village Hotels are actually one of my favourites. So let me show you the bathroom first. What up? Yeah, I'm looking tired, not gonna lie. Nice bathroom, bathtub, shower. Looks, kind of feels like I'm doing an inventory, but the rooms are always so nice. I always just got a really nice relaxing feeling. So yeah, it's nice. This is quite cool. Best not break anything. But yeah, well, I'm only here for one night anyway, but yeah, super nice. I think we're all gonna go out to eat. What I'll do is I'll try to show you some of the cars that I've come with. So like I said, E92s, E36s, E46s, E30s. I think there's a Merc out there that I can see. Mardi Stage 1 M140i. Not M240i, it's gonna kill me. Now M140i, obviously my S3, I'll show you around it. I'll show you the new carbon mirrors. Hopefully I can fit them in this video whilst I'm here, I might as well. It should be like an easy job to do. The main purpose of this video is to take you around this BMW car show tomorrow, show you some of the cars, people's builds and stuff like that really. I'll see you when I see you, and just a massive thank you again for the 2,000 subscribers. We've killed it. No, honestly, we've actually smashed it. But yeah, carry on supporting me. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Definitely subscribe. Hit that bell icon for future notification. Follow me on my social media platforms, S3Ranj on Instagram and S3Ranj on TikTok. I'm starving. Let's go eat. So, just got back home. I was supposed to edit the leather cleaning video today, but I didn't get a chance. But what I did do was absolutely smash my S3. So I didn't even realise that I was going to be driving, but I chose to drive just because my car's a 5-door and I didn't want to squeeze into one of the E92 coupes. Pabs, the guy with the M5 drove that's got 900 bhp, and I wouldn't say we raced, but I'll tell you what, that car is out, like, it's just a next level beast. So, unproductive day really, but I had some really good food at Soho Tavern. What time is it now? It's 12:04, so I'm tired. Luckily my car isn't on show because I can have a bit of a lie-in, but I'll make sure I get some good content for you tomorrow at the show. It's not going very good, this vlog so far. It's not very car related. But good night for now because I'm tired. Okay, so we are now in the car ready to go to the BMW show, but I want to quickly show you something. So first things first, let's turn the car on and let's get a bit of cold start action. It's quite warm outside, so it's not going to be super cold, but I just thought I'd quickly show you something. Which is, look at these. So these are genuine OEM Audi A3 8V carbon mirrors. The fitment on them is just superb, like just to the T. They're absolutely perfect. I'll quickly show you the box. So they're the old ones and these are the new ones. So yeah, I picked them up for a bargain. I think they retail for like £375. So yeah, bargain. The car's looking relatively clean. So we are now good to go. So just arrived. Some pretty nice cars already. 720S. I said it's like an LT version. But yeah, some really nice cars here. Obviously full of BMWs as you would expect. And obviously my S3 lone wolf. But to be fair, we've got a T5 out there representing as well, the AG. I've just realised that I left my Ralph Lauren coat at the hotel, and I'm gutted because I got it for my birthday in New York, and there's absolutely no way that I can get it back. So I've fucked it really. So I've asked the hotel to give me a call back to see if they can give it me. Hopefully they can, because you know what people are like sometimes. They can steal and stuff like that. Hoping not, hoping they're genuine and they give me a call back. Let me show you around some of these pretty nice cars. What have we got? M4, M2. I think that was maybe an 840 or an 850. That's nice. My dad used to have one of these. And all I can think about is my jacket right now. But Alicia even told me, like, make sure you double check everything. And I was like, I know I will, but I just never did. But yeah, that is nice, that. Look how big this carbon ceramics. Oh, that says what it is. 765 LT. Yeah, it's really nice, that. Look at the carbon, man. See, that's very similar to my mirrors in the sense of like high quality. But yeah, that is just gorgeous, that. The colour is just phenomenal. It really is. So let's have a look. The British Motor Museum. Wow. That's crazy, that. How cool is this? I'm about to walk in between a car. What's that? I've never ever seen this in my life. Solid. That is just crazy, that. So they got James Bond's car in here. Wow, look at that. Look at the interior. Excuse me, no problem. Wow, check this out. That is crazy. You can see the size of that. Wow. That is crazy, that. Wow, I've never ever seen anything like that in my life. Got some really cool minis here, thick rally cars. See, I love rally cars like that, mate. That's nice as well, that mini. That's really nice. Oh, interesting, they've got a McLaren in here. I didn't think there'd be anything like new like this in here. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look, these are Bond's cars. Wow, this is the Vanquish. I don't even actually know how you get out. I want to go see my brother and stuff. So far, this is actually a really nice place. I would actually highly recommend coming here if you can. There's literally loads. I don't even know if you can. I can't even. My camera won't even be able to fathom how many cars are here. But there is a lot. A lot. I'm looking forward to hearing some revs. That's nice. M4. Wow, for that carbon fibre hood. That is insane. That's a nice colour, that. Wow, is that a wrap? No, I think that's paint, that. Do you know what, this is what I'd have M4 competition. Do you know what, I think BMW do better colours than Audi. I really do. They're nice. This is what I'd like. Something really simple like this. That is so nice. Black and silver go so well together. They just look perfect together. Oh my god, what is that? Reminds me of I love being at car shows. First time vlogging at a car show, so I'm kind of nervous. Just looking like an idiot talking to myself, but is what it is, I suppose. Is what it is. This is nice. This is really nice. That's really nice. Wow, what is that? That sounds crazy. E36. I like the way it looks as well. Wow. That sounds awesome. The camber on it as well looks great. I'm kind of glad I got that. I think so far these are my favourite ones. I've not been around the whole show, but these are wicked. The big AP racing with the two-piece floating discs, ton of carbon. Don't even know. I think I prefer the grey colour. Oh, that's nice up there. That is nice. Wow, look at that. Looks like a BMW showroom up there. Literally. Oh my god, they're all CSLs. Wow, look at that, a row of M3 CSLs. That is crazy. When do you ever see that? That is insane. Wow, look at the camber on them. Crazy. Look at the paintwork. Guys, I don't know if you can pick this up, but the paint has got like little red glitter bits in it. That's really nice, that. For a long time, this used to be my favourite SUV. It's crazy how they're all quite different. That is a bad boy number 30. Happening? Yeah. Right, Aaron's going to give his E92 some revs. I've actually just convinced Marvy to rev his car for me. I don't know if you can tell, but since Marvy, I reviewed his car, he's actually sorted the paint out. So look at that paint, not a swirl mark in sight. So, oh yeah, I can see the PPF.
Just about, if you look close.
Yeah, wow. Yo, the paint's glistening, don't even colours you guys have got are sick, man. Yellow's so nice. Yeah, you smashed it with the colour, man. Did it come with all this carbon?
I haven't seen this. The carbon, yeah, most of it's already on.
Oh, really?
I've got left behind.
It's clean, you know. That is loud, bro. Do you know the pops are like?
The pop, it hurts your ears.
Mate, so much bass. Shit. Fuck me, I've felt that in my chest. Have a look at that. Not the Urus, forget the Urus. I'm not really a fan of them. Have a look at that. And that. That's one car I think I'm going to get next. Nissan GTR. Not the blue one, the orange one. Wow. What fucking machines. So, I think the day is coming to an end. I love this Z3. We've got Marvy's car, Pabs, my brothers, Harry, Aaron. So, quite a lot of cars here. So yeah, man. It's been a good day, to be fair. Lots of being So I'm not sure if you'll be able to see me that well, but I finally just got home. What a trip, you know. I actually probably loved it. It was so cool. I really enjoyed it. I would definitely recommend going out and trying to check out a car show if you've never been to one before, regardless of what it is. This one was really nice, really well laid out, really professional. That edition, fitted, players, there's some and VW days in France, there's some of the good car shows that I've been to. My car has been thrashed like never before in its life. I've never driven this car like that in my life. It surprised me, you know, it did really well. When this is tuned, it's going to be a different animal, but for what it is, it's amazing. And I'm going to bed because it's late. It's 11 o'clock, so, and I've got work tomorrow, so shower, unpack and bed, so still a little bit to do. Anyway, listen, I hope this video turns out well. It was my first time. It was really weird vlogging and holding the camera out and about and speaking to myself. That's why I never really put it on myself like this. But I'm sure I'll get used to that over time. Listen, take it easy, look after yourself. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon for future notifications. Follow me on my social media platforms. Keep supporting. And I'm really sorry if I've you know, not been on top of things in my YouTube videos. I'm just being late, but nonetheless I'll always get them out to you. So yeah, take it easy, till next time, peace.